Oh, this big one. Look, a mom.
I know. My goodness. Well, look at the rest. Maybe there's some more in there. I think there's a lot in there.
Yeah. What? Big penguin. Look at penguin tail.
Oh,
Very big.
yeah.
Yeah. This is what I'm going to sleep on my bed tomorrow.
Okay. Oh.
Can you take a picture of the big one?
I'm filming you right now. Oh, a little one.
Yeah.
Just let him see it. There's lots more.
Little one.
Oh.
That's 3 little ones.
Little babies.
Yeah, little ones. Whoa, mommy ones. I'm gonna put on my bed today.
Okay.
I'm gonna
Hey, wait, come here, Cricket. Can you say thank you, Auntie Sam?
Thank you, Auntie Sam.
Oh, that's very nice of you.
And there's the 2 books.